Hi, I'm Destiny from Some Call It Destiny, and today I want to share with you a new educational game that my family has been enjoying from Underdog Games called Trekking Through History. And in this game, you are transported in a time machine back through history where you have an itinerary, and each round is a day, and there are 3 days in it. Now, I'm not going to talk to you about how to play the game. There are plenty of videos already out there that do that. What I want to share with you is 4 ways that you can incorporate this game into your homeschool to expand your learning and add it to enrich your history curriculum. So the first way is, as part of the game, there are what's called Ancestor Cards. And these cards you can take in place of one of the history cards. Now, on the back, it just says the roots of our past can help us in the present and have a great impact on our future. So one of the ways to add this to your homeschool curriculum is by having your children learn more about their ancestors. So as they take a card, they can name one of their ancestors. It can be a grandparent, a great-grandparent, or even further back, and then have them name something that they know about them. This is a great opportunity to do some genealogy research into your family and to learn more about your roots and where your own family came from and incorporate them into the play of the game. The second is in a timeline notebook. So if you keep a timeline notebook, your kids, as they play, can take one of their favorite cards from that game and add it into their notebook. So they can add it onto the timeline, and that can be just a fun way to kind of take the learning a little bit further, and they can add those figures and events into their timeline notebook and keep that. The next is, so here's what the cards look like, is students can take a card, and on the back there's a little snippet that tells about this card. So this is Hunt Fossils with Mary Anning, and it says Mary Anning was an English fossil hunter who unearthed the first Ichthyosaurus fossil when she was only 12. Scientists believe this animal was a type of marine animal, which earned it the nickname of fish lizard. Despite a lifetime of finding fossils and selling them to male colleagues, many people were reluctant to give Anning credit. Some even called some of her discoveries fake. Right, so kids can memorize that little paragraph. They could use it as copywork. The next thing that they could do is they could pick one of the cards and just learn a little bit about that person or that event. So this one is the joust at the Ascension Day tilt. And so they can just learn a little bit more about what that was, either through reading or research or finding books about that time period, to just take their learning and to dig into their natural curiosity of which cards appeal to them and which time periods that they